Good morning, everyone. Today we are in the outskirts of our home state's capital, Sacramento, California, and we were invited to join one of my friends on an adventure in Davis, which is just about 20 miles outside of Sacramento. We're gonna go visit her and her falconry friends, and they're gonna take their birds out working today. So we're gonna join them and see what that's all about.
If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there.
Hey, Rosie. What's going on, Rosie? You ready to hunt? You hungry? We put a radio transmitter on her. In case she takes off, I can find her. I can track her down.
She also has a bell on her so we can hear her.
Huh.
So Jenny was saying that they capture them when they're young in the wild because their chances of survival in the wild aren't very high, and they're higher.
Yeah, like
if
80% of wild raptors don't make it through their first year.
So then they take them and they train them to work with them for 2 years, and then they release them back into the wild. The redtails anyway, right? Is that with all of them? You said
most wild caught birds.
And this is your second season with Rosie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really well. Do you want to catch a bunny? Transmitter on. So this is a T-perch.
Yeah?
In an area where there's not a lot of trees, she'll like ride around on it.
Nice. That's creative.
And it's also good for whacking the brush when she's not on it. I got little tidbits in here.
Tidbits of what? Rabbit?
Cut up rabbit and a couple of whole mice.
Once you cross
That's
the
a
bridge.
talent.
Definitely a skill. She's gonna poop.
They
Whoops.
always poop right before they fly. They roust their feathers,
What do you see?
lightening their load.
Yeah, I've been pooped on so many times.
Red-tailed hawks like Rosie are native to North America and have been successfully used for falconry since its development.
She's trained to like kind of follow along with me.
Yeah.
Just like whack on the brush. Good girl, Rosie.
Oh, there goes one.
Oh,
They'll hunt small rodents like mice, voles, and rabbits, and even other small creatures if the opportunity arises. These underestimated hunting companions are great for hunting rabbits because of their large size and ability to get through the deep brush.
She's in the tree up there on the right.
oh, right in front of me.
Yeah. So you guys just flushed the rabbits for her?
Yeah, we flush them out. Get them.
Falconers are part of a team with their birds. They'll go around whacking the bush to flush out small prey for their partner. Here is my attempt at whacking the bush for Rosie.
Beating the bushes. Trixie would be the perfect flushing dog.
For real?
She says they work with dogs sometimes, but you have to raise them together. Otherwise, they think it's a wolf. Oh, she went that way.
Redtails will sit for hours on relatively high perches, hunting with a sudden dropping pounce on their prey. They heavily rely on gravity for assistance in gaining speed and prefer this method, but can equally hunt from a high soar, stealth, or even stooping repeatedly.
Shoot, Rosie, come on.
Sunbathing.
Come on. Rosie, come on. Good girl. That's a good spot.
Ooh, I bet there's some under that palm. There goes one. Yeah, Rosie. She took off the other way.
Did you miss?
She gave up.
Falconers will weigh their birds in order to determine if they'll be eager enough to hunt when they go out. A slightly overweight bird is not going to be as hungry for prey and may not even fly fast enough to catch something. Today, Rosie weighed a little on the heavier side. She gives up on this rabbit and has no interest in catching anything else today.
Get up on a really good fight here.
She's actually got to hunt.
There you go.
Good girl, Rosie.
Got it! You got something!
Daddy. Take it from you. Well, not one of our finer days, but
She caught a lure.
she got out.
Yeah. Exercise is important.
What are you doing?
Is that scented? Or is it like actual fur in there?
Oh, I've got a rabbit leg on it.
Oh, you do? Okay.
We'll put her up and go across the street.
Okay.
These are Harris hawks. While most raptors hunt alone, these birds of prey hunt in a group of 2 or more. They can be found from southwest United States to Chile, central Argentina, and Brazil.
Harris hawks are practically like dogs. Put it on your paint.
Noisy. He's just a small male.
Hey, little guy.
Hungry.
Don't poop on me. Right in my ear, buddy.
You ready to kill, man?
A little higher.
Come on, everybody.
Oh, you guys are helping me.
We should get up. I gotta call Kurt.
Nice
You
baby
guys
boy.
move fast and far.
Yeah. They've already got the vantage point picked out.
Yeah, you'll hit your 10,000 steps in.
Watching these incredible birds hunt together reminds me of the velociraptors from Jurassic Park. Even though they're never far from each other, they're much harder to film than Rosie.
It's like, all right.
What are you doing? What are you? They all look the same. And
She's just a little smaller.
this is one of the
That's not
males.
a
The
big
males are a
size
third
rabbit.
smaller than females.
Luckily for them, they were able to work
Yeah, you
together
have to.
to get a jackrabbit for a nice warm meal. Warning, the following content may be a little graphic for some viewers.
You want to pull it out there? Do you want to crop them up? What do you want to do? Yeah, we've already broke into this.
It's a big one. Look at this
Yeah,
tiny
this
one.
one.
Yeah.
Let's let him eat over here.
Okay.
Come on, guys. Come on. You're good. Come on.
It's my kill.
Come on.
Come get it.
You guys gonna have a nice hot meal?
Yeah. That's Reed. Yeah, he's in there.
I'm running up behind.
Beaver's nickname is Miss Piggy.
What's that you're doing?
This chunk of
Oh no, the spray bottle.
Right, yeah, they get most of their water and moisture from the food, so we let it down really well.
Oh, okay.
You don't see them drinking very often. They will, but not often.
Oh, I think you've got it stuck on her jaw.
Yeah,
Oh,
there she goes. She got it.
Maya. Oh, you're a good girl. I'm in for a shower.
She's a messy girl.
Her tail.
Oh yeah, her feathers are super. She's a redtail now.
She had in the bath or two today.
Well, I'm glad they got one.
Yeah. Rosie tried.
She was a little high. She wasn't trying very hard.
Yeah, she could have tried harder, but she did. And she got to fly.
We're going out Friday morning.
We always say it's a good day when we come home with the birds.
Mm-hmm.
If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing so you'll never miss another episode. And we'll see you next Tuesday for another adventure.